Hey guys, Joe here. I know I said that I was done with shooting videos here in Florida, but this is my last stop before I gotta hop on a plane, and I gotta show you around this place. This is the M Lounge in Orlando, and I'm surrounded by all these unique classic cars. It's a lounge inside of a car museum here. You can see the musicians are setting up right back there behind me. How cool is this? I'm gonna go talk to them right now to go get a show, but I just wanted to show you that, guys, and stay positive when you're out there getting your gigs, you know, and everything, and, you know, just take a moment to admire beauty all around you, okay? Cool. I'll check in with you on the next video. Please subscribe to the channel, share these videos if you're loving the content, and I'll keep it rolling for you guys. Thanks, and I got a plane to catch, so I'm gonna jet. Take it easy.